Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Martin Belvoir Auto Spa. We are in month 8 of this ceramic coating longevity test after initially torture testing them. We're just, like I said, we're just going to go to a year and see how everything holds up. The longevity test was fan requested. I only planned on doing a torture test, seeing what held up. Most of them held up just fine. With this longevity test, somebody said, hey, I'll get you another test hood if we can use this for the longevity test. I said, sure, let's do it. So he did, so I appreciate that. So just initially, before I get started, this hood did sit like this, stored in the backyard for 4 months, and then I flipped it the other way for 4 months, or maybe it was 3 months, I don't know. But at this point, I'm just going to keep it upright, and we'll see how everything does. And I'll do a close-up of everything, because I know the names are kind of hard to read right now. But we need to get it clean, obviously. It's covered in dirt. My dogs jump on it. This thing has been abused. It's gone through a rough life. This is definitely more extreme than your average car would see. So take this test with a grain of salt. This is kind of just to serve as a baseline. This isn't to say that, you know, one is the best and one is bad, because it's going to be based on your needs and your driving conditions. So let's get it cleaned up and see. Even through the dirt, some of the stuff is still pushing through. And just as a reminder, I forget which side, I think it's on both sides, I put different clear coat. I scratched the shit out of them, then I did different clear coat restorers. So I've got Snake Oil, I believe that's just the company's name. I've got Black Rhino, Speed Clear, the original version, and I've got Shiny Car Stuff. I don't see any signs of them starting to look bad, so those have worked good so far. But again, we're going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to use a Coach Chemie reactivation shampoo, and then we're going to use an acid wash with Ryan West Industries water spot remover. This is an acid shampoo and an acid water spot remover to make sure all the dirt and minerals are gone. So we'll wash it twice, hit it with the water spot remover, wash it again, and go from there. And we'll hit it with Ryan West Industries water spot remover. This is one of the hardest hitting water spot removers I've ever used. It also works good as an acid wheel cleaner. If you're looking, I can sell it to you in bulk, or you can just buy it on the website in individual bottles. minerals are gone. It feels super smooth and slick. Alright, now let's go in and inspect. So first one at the top, CarPro D-Quartz. That's the pre-production sample. And then it's regular D-Quartz next to it. The pre-production sample seems to be a little bit better. And right here we've got C-Quartz UK 3.0. That was an open bottle, that's still doing really good. C-Quartz SIC, it's also an open bottle. That's hanging in there. Let's go back over here. Black Rhino Fat Beads right there. It's just a 1 year. It's looks like it's just about had it. And then Underdog Marine right there. Black Rhino Optics. Black Rhino Graphics. Or excuse me. That's Black Rhino's original. I gotta rewrite these. I'll do that after this. That way, next update, everything will be a little clearer. The Black Rhino's original coating, optics, and graphics. Okay, back over here. That is Stark. I forget if it's Liquid Kraken or Liquid Thor. It's one of them. I think that's Liquid Thor. I forget. I'm sorry. Stark Repel. Underdog Pro, Underdog Pro Plus. Stark doing pretty good in this row. That's Ethos Graphene Max, and 2 pre-production samples from Ethos of Ceramic V2 and Easy Peasy V2. Those did not make it till final production. There was an issue with that batch. And then we got, yeah, it looks like Stark Liquid Kraken right there. Doing pretty good. Go down here. DIY 3 year. Not doing so great. DIY's 5 year. Doing alright. DIY's 8 year. Doing alright. And then DIY's stack. Which the stack is supposed to be the 8 or the 5 with the 3 on top. I did the 8 with the 5 on top. But you can see that my stack's doing pretty good. That's not even the stack I suggest to use, but it works. I'll look at this left side right here. System X Max, System X Pro, and Crystal. So Max is doing pretty good. Down here, this is Ryan West 7H, Ryan West Industries 7H, Ryan West Industries 9H. Both of those doing pretty good. And again, those are, again, I do wholesale Ryan West Industries products if you're interested. You can get 7H for 50 bucks a bottle, and I think it's about 50 bucks a bottle. Not bad. And we've got FaneLab Ceramic V3, then FaneLab Ceramic V3 with their newest version of Overcoat. Doing pretty good. Second to last row, that was Apex BC7, not really much of there anymore. Armor Detailed Supply Quartz Standard, it's barely hanging in there. Armor Detailed Supply Pro is still hanging in there pretty decently. And then Armor Detailed Supply Stack, that is Quartz with Pro on top, very good. And I'm hearing that with their new Phobic, that's an even better top layer if you want to try that. So we'll go to this final row down here. Whoa. Close to the ground is not good for me. That was Cerakote's original, that's completely gone. This was Meguiar's M888, it's not doing too great. This is Gian Mo's Evo, still there. And then that was Gloss Revolution Barrel 3 or Barrel 1, Puerto Rico. That didn't do too well. But there you have it. So if you ask me what my favorites are, I'm going to say price-wise, yeah, C-Quartz UK, C-Quartz UK, D-Quartz, and where was it? And Ryan West 7H and 9H. Those are the best price-wise, but some of those are layerable coatings. For the more premium, DIYs 5.8 plus their stack, or Armor Detail Supplies Pro or their stack, I think is really good. System X Pro is professional only coating, I believe, but still doing pretty good. Ethos Graphene Max, which I believe they have their V2, really good stuff. I definitely check that out. If you're in the marine industry, Stark Liquid Crack and Liquid Thor are very good products, it seems. They can work on paint as well, as you see here. They do come in big bottles, so they do cost a little bit more. That's why they're more for marine. And then Fane Labs Ceramic V3 also, I believe, Pro only, but another good option. But I mean, there's still plenty of good coatings here. Underdog, I know this is probably going to make its way over the Underdog community. They're going to say what they're going to say, and apply it right, whatever. I mean, the coating's still there. It's not dead, but not doing as good as some of these other ones. In this test, different conditions, it may hold up better. But let me know what you guys think. What based on this test, what would you want to use? I've used most of these coatings in the real world, applying to cars. Some of them won't in this test though. So that's all I got for you guys, though. I'll be back next month with the 9-month update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more tests like this, and leave a comment with your thoughts down below. I will see you on the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.